Hi, I'm Mark Lane, Product Director for nLight, an Acuity Brands company, and I am excited today to talk to you about a new product we're launching called the rPOD Micro. This is a wireless, battery-powered switch that can be held in your hand, placed on glass or easily mountable surfaces, and it is operated with a single coin cell battery, a 2032 off-the-shelf coin cell battery with 10-year battery life. Beautiful aesthetic design, edge-to-edge buttons. This is easy to even mount to a pedestal. Simply slide it down and locks right into place so that you've got mounting on your desk or on a pedestal. And we've got a variety of options: on-off, dimming, scene control in the device, as well as custom engraving. So a beautiful design with a remote switch that you can hold in your hand and operate your fixtures wirelessly. We also offer this in a wall mount version that's really easy to install. You simply run your 2 screws right there into your single gang box, or a multi-gang application, as this faceplate is designed with the standard decor offering. You can also, for single gang applications, use our screwless and toolless wall plate design. Simply snaps into place here, and then we add the finishing faceplate on the device, and again snaps into place. As well as this being a new product for us in our switch portfolio, we've really focused on sustainability and brought down the plastic amount that we're using, the number of batteries, the electronic components, and able to package it in some recyclable, non-bleach packaging. We can have 5 switches in this small little box. This is a tremendous product for all of our C&I customers. It's part of our nLight platform, and really excited to show that to you today. For more information, I recommend you visit www.nlightcontrols.com.